In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact MoneyGram's customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so I'm going to show you two different ways how to do this. So the first way is by using the app. So go ahead and open up the app. And now I'm going to log in. Log in. All right, so my details is not working, so I'm going to log in with my fingerprint instead. And now once you've logged into your account, click onto your user profile, top left-hand corner of the page there, and then scroll down, and then under support, it will say chat with us. So you can click on chat with us, and it'll say, how can I help? And just say, hey, I would like to speak to one of your customer service or customer support teams in this text field here. Another way we can contact them is by clicking on the Contact Us button. Go ahead and accept cookies. And now there will be a form to fill out. So just do a general question or feedback, and then put in your contact information, first legal name, last name, email address. Scroll down, select service type. Just put in which one best suits your situation, and scroll down again, put a title and just say, hey, I would like to speak to a customer support team member, and then put in your description here and then click submit. Another way to contact MoneyGram's customer support team is open up a web browser and head to a site called pissconsumer.com. All right, so just did a Google search. That's it here, pissconsumer.com. So this website's great for finding hard to reach contact information for different websites. So from here, click on the search button at the top and then type in MoneyGram, and just wait a few moments and it should appear here. Here it is here, close to 3,000 reviews. If we scroll down again, it will say we've got a few tabs here, reviews, about, contacts, Q&As. So go ahead and click on contacts, scroll down again, and here's a number you can call. And you can call customer service, you can send them a message, and they got a few different numbers you can give them a buzz on. And also they've got email. So if we want to view more, click on more phone numbers and emails, scroll down, and just there it is there. So customer service at MoneyGram. So you can email them as well this way.